New questions emerging tonight as police get involved in what could be some disturbing cases of animal abuse in Anderson. We first alerted you to that story last night. This morning, police told us they weren't sure if it was criminal. But as our Rich Nye explains, they're not saying that now.
The report from Purdue University says one of the dogs that lived at this house had 3 of its paws amputated. And neighbors say it's not the only pet that has been mutilated in this area.
Mandy Darling keeps her dogs inside a privacy fence, but in the middle of the night last Monday, she believes someone let Charlie out through a gate and mutilated the 12-year-old chocolate Labrador. Charlie returned home around 2:30 in the morning with a trail of blood and 3 missing paws.
It was horrible. I mean, I didn't know what to do. I knew I needed to get him to a vet, but we couldn't get him in the vet in the middle of the night.
Mandy took the dog to Devonshire Veterinarian Clinic. The dog was euthanized due to his injuries and age. Dr. Aaron Smiley recommended a necropsy and called the injuries suspicious and extremely upsetting. The report from Purdue concluded the paws were amputated, the dog's tail skinned, and 3 teeth broken.
It's so hard for us to even believe that something like this could even happen, more or less to, our dog that's in a privacy fence.
Detective John Needler is investigating the case. Eyewitness News found another dog Wednesday on the nearby railroad tracks, beheaded and missing 2 paws. Mandy heard about a 3rd dog found in a dumpster today.
I'm hoping by getting the word out that maybe somebody will come forward and let us know who's doing this, or eventually somebody will catch somebody doing it.
Anderson police first told me this morning there was no evidence of criminal activity, but now they say the case is under investigation and no conclusions have been drawn. In Anderson, I'm Rich Nye, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.